Hey everyone, welcome back to English Flow Talks, the podcast where learning English is easy, fun, and real. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. Hello, everyone. Today's episode is going to be super practical. We're going to teach you how to talk about your daily routine in English, step by step.
Yes, you'll learn how to describe your day from the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed using natural, everyday English.
So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's start your English morning together.
So, David, let's start from the beginning. What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Honestly, I check my phone. I know it's not a great habit, but I always check my messages and emails first thing in the morning.
You're not alone. Many people do that. You can say, I wake up at 7 a.m. I check my phone. I get out of bed.
Exactly. And sometimes I just stay in bed for 5 more minutes. So I can say, I stay in bed for a few minutes. Or, I hit the snooze button.
That's a great expression. To hit the snooze button means to delay your alarm and sleep a little longer.
Right. And after that, I usually go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and take a shower.
Nice. So a full morning routine could be, I wake up, I brush my teeth, I take a shower, and I get dressed.
And don't forget breakfast. I have breakfast, or I eat breakfast.
Emily, let's make it interactive. Listeners, repeat after us. I wake up at 7. I take a shower. I eat breakfast.
Good job! You can also add adverbs like usually, always, or sometimes. Example, I usually drink coffee, or I sometimes skip breakfast.
Okay, now it's time to go out. How do you usually get to work, David?
I usually drive, but sometimes I take the bus if the traffic is bad. So, I drive to work, I take the bus to work.
Perfect. And for students listening, you can say, I go to school, I take the subway to class.
You can also say, I start work at 9 a.m. I have a meeting in the morning.
Let's make another mini practice. Repeat with us. I go to work by car. I take the train. I start work at 9.
If you want to sound more natural, try using phrasal verbs. For example, I get to work instead of I arrive at work.
Yes, I get to work at 9 sounds very natural. Also, I get off work at 5. That means you finish your workday. So, lunchtime. What do you usually do for lunch, David?
I usually eat lunch around 12:30. I often go out with coworkers, or sometimes I bring food from home.
That's common. You can say, I have lunch at noon. I eat lunch with my co-workers. I grab a sandwich.
Grab is a super useful verb. It means to take something quickly. So, grab lunch or grab coffee means to eat or drink something quickly.
Exactly. Let's practice. Repeat. Let's grab lunch. Now, I've grabbed a coffee.
Nice. And after lunch, what do you usually do?
I go back to work, check some emails, and sometimes listen to music while I work.
Perfect. You can also say, I have a busy afternoon. I attend meetings. I take a short break.
After work, I usually go to the gym. You can say, I work out after work. I exercise in the evening.
That's great. I usually go home, have dinner, and relax.
You can say, I have dinner with my family. I watch TV. I take a shower before bed.
And for relaxation, I listen to music, I watch a movie, I play games.
Now, let's do a mini dialogue.
Hey, Emily, what do you usually do after work?
I usually go to the gym and then cook dinner. What about you?
I like to watch Netflix or call my friends.
Cool. That's simple, natural English. Now it's the end of the day. What's your night routine, David?
I usually take a shower, brush my teeth, and go to bed around 11 p.m.
You can say, I go to bed early. I stay up late. I fall asleep quickly.
Nice. Stay up late means to go to bed very late, like at midnight or later.
Exactly. And one more phrase. I'm exhausted. It means you're very tired. All right, Let's review everything we learned today.
Morning. I wake up, I brush my teeth, I eat breakfast. Day. I go to work, I have lunch, I study English. Evening. I watch TV, I cook dinner, I go to bed.
Now here's your challenge, listeners. Write your full daily routine in English in the comments.
We'll read some of your answers in our next episode.
You did great today. Remember, speaking English daily, even about simple things, is how you build fluency fast.
That's right. Listen to this episode again and repeat the sentences out loud.
And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English Flow Talks, and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
Thanks for listening.